Oh, I love trash.
Dumpster cats. We got some stuff here at our Dollar Tree. And then we'll go check out the Tractor Supply after we grab these. So, I ended up getting a flat tire the last night I went out. And here I thought I picked up a nail somewhere, or a screw like I normally do. No, turns out the tire was just bad from the get-go. The cords were actually showing through it. I'm surprised we did not notice it before that. But yeah, so I ended up making it okay to Madison. It was like a mile from where the tire blew at. So I drove slowly, less than 5 miles an hour, to make it to the Madison truck stop, because I knew if I left it on the side of the road for 2 days that it would have been towed. So I couldn't leave it on the side of the road. With Dumpster Brother no longer being in the area, I could not, ask for his assistance. You must be oh, you're up front. So I couldn't, call him and have him rescue me. I ended up getting a hold of my daughter. She came out, picked me a Miracle up. So it was a fun, interesting night. But we did get a new tire. Did I put that in the back? Nope, I put mine up there. But I did get a new tire. So, nice, decent looking tire. Really good. Looks good. Still has a lot of treads on it. It's got some nice grooves in it. Should be really, really good. So, but he did inform me that my other tire, I believe it's my front tire, is going to need to be replaced here shortly. Alright, let's see if there's anything in here. Yeah, we seen it. I'm being watched. Pizza. Whoa. We got some drinks. Some more drinks. An amazing score. This is awesome. Oh my god. Alright. Let's turn the vehicle off. Let's turn you off. Put you there. I'll still need this. Slide you over. Grab you out. Yeah. Take it out, put it right there. Get these set right here. Grab my ladder so I can dig deeper. And let's start saving some pop. We got Diet Pepsi, Diet Mountain Dew, Diet Mountain Dew running away. We got some tea. Nice score. Nice score indeed. Really nice indeed. Donate more to the family, more to friends. Some of the Mountain Dew will probably go to the blessing boxes. Probably. Oh, we got a couple root beers. If I can get to them. We'll get to them. What's that, a coffee? That's a Starbucks double shot. Whoop. Alright. Come on, Grabber. Cooperate. Too bad those jacks weren't in there. Yeah, so he ended up, when they were trying to get the tire off, I guess, when BP did it last, they put it on so hard that they couldn't get it off. They could not get the tire off. So they had to, my sister-in-law, who took hubby up there to get the tire, and that she thankfully had AAA, so they were able to get the tire off because they were having a really hard time with it. That's the Chinese restaurant that's behind me, or there's a restaurant behind me of Oriental, and they're the ones that are talking behind me. Hi guys. Yeah, I didn't think they cared. They see me here many times. They should be used to me by now. So. Alright. Let's see what else I can get now. Come on, Grabber. Cooperate. So yeah, Papa Cat put in a nice hard day of non-work today by fixing the tire. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad. Didn't cost us too much. So, that's always a plus when it doesn't cost you the butt arm and a leg, just the arm and a leg. Vanilla. Double shot vanilla. I knew that one was going to go again. This is going to be a pain to get up in the car. But we'll do it. Obviously, we did it with the Sprite. We'll do it with the Pepsi. An awesome score again for Pop. Another amazing score. Too bad those pretzels are opened. And if you're worried about them being shooken up, think about how they probably just tossed them into the dumpster, so. They were probably pretty well shooken to begin with. Come on. Come on, Pepsi. Last couple. Ooh, I almost lost it. Come on. There we go. Let's check them. Are they open? That one's not. That one's not, but that one is. That's open. Not a bad score whatsoever. I'd say we did an amazing job. Now, to lighten the load a little, because there's no way I'm picking that up. Alright. Slide you over. Put you up there with those. Some nice honey mustard pretzels. Let's see. Oh my God. Is that heavy? Oh, I did not think I was going to get it in there. Holy cow. Oh, what a score. That was an awesome pop score. Oh. And heavy. That was heavy. Alright, let's get the pop up there. And then get these over here so that we still have this whole area. Got some more of those poppers at the house. So now, tomorrow, I should be going to the blessing boxes. It was supposed to be today, but I ended up cooking up that corned beef and cabbage today. That was awesome too. Alright, kittens. Now that I'm out of breath, I'll catch you at the next dumpster. Meow. Thank you for watching. If you liked our scores tonight, let us know. Hit that like button down below. If you're new and you like what you see, consider joining our litter and become a dumpster kitten. We love you, kittens. Have a great day.